Today we're exploring meditation for a calm heart. And for those of you who've been around for a while, you know this is the meditation that came with that very first video I ever put up on YouTube, which is for the spine and for the nervous system. You can take a look at it. I've dropped the links below, or just go and check out Kundalini Yoga and you'll find that video. Really easy. So, returning to the classics, to the basics, because at any point in your life, you may come across a time where your heart is racing, or your heart is breaking, or your heart is confused, or doesn't know what to do, or you're in separation or isolation from somebody. All of those things require a little bit of a touch, a sensitive touch to the heart, and an opportunity to bring more vital energy into our heart space. And so that's what we're going to do today. But first, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you're here for the first time, welcome. You found Kundalini Yoga for healing, for trauma work, for the evolution of your spiritual self. I'm so glad you're here. And for those of you who have been around for a while, thank you so much. It's with your love and your sharing and your comments that this channel continues to grow. So I am eternally grateful. Let's begin now. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes, focus all of your energy inward. And as you do that, make a connection to the base of your spine. Just feel that solid place right on your tailbone. And from here, draw a line from the base of your spine all the way up through the top of your head. Rest your awareness there and exhale, close your eyes, focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. Hold your attention right here. Inhale very deeply and we tune in with the Adi mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call in my highest consciousness. The sacred sounds of Gurmukhi. Bring your left hand over the center of your chest, your heart space. This is the place of love and compassion, first for yourself and then for all others. And on your right side, bringing your first finger and thumb to touch. This is the mudra for wisdom. And so wisdom through love and compassion is really what we're aiming for here. And it's comforting to put a hand over the heart. It's comforting to know that this antenna is connecting us to all that is, to the oneness of our human experience, because we've all been there. And so as we sit and meditate together, know that you are in amazing company. Close your eyes now. Inhale very deeply through the nose. Hold the breath. Hold for as long as you possibly can. And then through the nose, exhale completely. Continue now. Inhale through the nose. Hold. And exhale when you're ready. We're just keeping this simple pace. Inhaling, hold as long as you can, and exhale. Last 2 rounds. Softly relax both hands over the heart space. And from here, send yourself some loving, healing energy. Inhale deeply and send everyone in your immediate vicinity, in your home, in your neighborhood, this loving, peaceful, healing energy. And one more time, inhale very deeply. And whatever the situation is that has caused your heart to contract, send this loving, peaceful, healing energy to that situation, to that person, to that place, wherever it is that you want your energy to flow. Do that now and exhale. Press your palms together at the center of your chest, sit up tall and straight. Close your eyes. We close now with the long sat, short nam. This sound means I bow to the teacher within. I call on my truth. I am the truth. The truth is there is only oneness. Inhale. Sa. Na. Sa. Na. Sa. Na. Bowing in reverence to your practice. If you're looking for more resources, check out the links in my bio. And of course, you can always join me on Instagram. Lots of spiritual wisdom there, quick tips, Kundalini yoga stuff, and lots to keep you motivated on your spiritual path. Thank you for joining me there. It's at YogaVision. And of course, like, share, follow along, and drop a comment below. Let me know how this meditation went for you. Until next time, lots of love.